Greetings and one love, people, once again. One heart, one truth, one harmony. Today, here in Clarendon, Jamaica, Ledlow District, we're deciding where we're going to put the center post for the Nyabinghi Rasta Love Tabernacle. Me and my brethren, Bulji, Tafari.
Haile Selassie.
Yeah, we're here. And we've decided on this spot, right here. So today we're going to dig the hole to put the center column. We got a light post. That's what we're going to use for the center post. And then we're going to put 12 posts around it, signifying 12 tribes of Israel, 12 months of the year. The Nyabinghi Tabernacle has a specific design, an ancient design, coming from a long, long time, even before the crowning of His Majesty Selassie. The Nyabinghi have been here in Jamaica, burning fire on the slave masters, burning fire on the oppressors, and calling on death to white and black oppressors. So we're continuing this tradition, this ancient Melchesdeck order.
Without any apology.
Okay, now Bulji Tafari is making the first jam, the first dig for the central post. Yeah! Rastafari. This is a big day, you know? Yeah. So next week we're gonna have a gathering and we're gonna put in the center post. That is on the new moon. As we call here in Jamaica, dark night. Along with brother Marshall Tafari, and call him Genius. Yeah.
My name is Yaya.
Yeah. So, these are the priests of the future Rasta Love Tabernacle.
What the Amuta give out the Rasta name and say Yaya mean it's a hell that give me that name there now. I say nah, change my name.
So we're gonna dig a 3 feet hole to put in the posts for the tabernacle. To be continued.